Hi friends, I am Gopal Chandra Jha and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Teaching English Tutorial. Today I have come with a quiz for class 9 from the textbook Beehive. The name of the chapter from which the quiz has been prepared is packing. So the first question is, I said I would pack. Who does I refer to here? Who does I refer to here? George, Harris or Jeremy? So let us see. I think the correct answer is Jeremy. The second question is, name the novel written by Jeremy K. Jerome of which the story Packing is an extract. So here we have to name the novel from which the chapter Packing has been taken. Three men in a boat, three men on the mail, thoughts of an idle fellow. All these are novels written by Jeremy. So here three men in a boat is the correct answer. Third question is, what does Jeremy think that he knows better than any other living person? Cooking, packing, painting. So chapter, according to the story, Jeremy knows packing better than any other living person. Question number 4 is, what do you mean by uncanny? Uncanny is a word. Which one is the correct answer? I think the correct answer is strange. Now the next question, that is question number 4 is, who spread himself over the easy chair? Jeremy, George or Harris? The correct answer is George. Next question is, who cocked his legs on the table? That is, who sat putting his legs on a table? Jeremy, George, Harris. Which is the correct option? I think the correct option is Harris. Now question number 7. What did the author intend? To do the packing all by himself? Harris and George potter about under his directions? Get someone to do the packing? What did the author intend? So the correct answer is, author intended Harris and George pottered about under his directions. So here Jeremy wanted George and Harris to do small and unimportant things under his directions. Question number 8 is, what irritated Jeremy? He alone had to do all the packing. George and Harris were relaxing while he was packing. Montmorency was disturbing him. So, what of these irritated Jerome? I think the correct answer is second one. George and Harris were relaxing while he was packing. Now, question number 9 is, what does irritate Jerome? Seeing other people getting up late in the morning, seeing other people work till late hours in the night, seeing other people sitting about doing nothing when he is working. So, what does irritate Jerome? Seeing other people work till late, seeing other people getting up, seeing other people sitting. This one is the correct answer. Question number 10 is, who would loll on the sofa when it should be when and sorry, who would loll on the sofa and watch Jeremy doing things by the hours together. Who would loll on the sofa and watch Jeremy all uh, doing things by the hours together. So, what should be the correct answer? It should be the man with whom he once lived. This is the correct answer. Now, next question, question number 11. What seemed a longer job to Jeremy than he had thought to be? Cooking, pressing the clothes, and packing. What seemed a longer job to Jeremy than he had thought to be? It is, of course, packing. Then the next question is question number 12, that is, who is the speaker of the following line? And you going to put the boots in? Who is the speaker? George, Harris, and or Montmorency? I think the correct answer is Harris. Question number 13 is, just as I was going to close it, a horrible idea occurred to me. What horrible idea is Jeremy talking about here? So let us see the options. He would always forget to pack the boots. He would always forget to pack his toothbrush. He would always forget to pack his slippers. So which horrible idea is he talking about? I think he is talking about he would always forget to pack his toothbrush. Now, question number 14 is, and in the morning I pack it before I have used it and have to unpack again to get it. And it is always the last thing I turn out of the bag and then I repack and forget it. And have to rush upstairs for it at the last moment and carry it to the railway station wrapped up in my pocket handkerchief. What does it refer to here? So, what does it refer to here? Jeremy's pen, Jeremy's tie, Jeremy's toothbrush. So, I think the correct answer is Jeremy's toothbrush. Question number 15 is, of course I had to turn every mortal thing out now, and of course I could not find it. What does it refer to here? Jerome is pen, Jerome is star, Jerome is toothbrush. Of course, Jerome is talking about his toothbrush. Question number 16 is, where did Jerome find his toothbrush? Inside a boot, inside his suitcase, under his pillow. Option 2, it is not required. So the correct answer is inside a boot. Question number 17. When did Jerome complete packing? At, at 9, at 5 minutes past 9 p.m., at 10 p.m., at 5 minutes past 10. So when did Jerome complete packing? I think the correct answer is at 5 minutes past 10. Now question number 18. Who decided to do the hampers? George and Harris, George and Jerome and Harris. So which option is the correct answer? Who decided to do the hampers? So it is, of course, George and Harris. They began in a light-hearted spirit, evidently intending to show me how to do it. I made no comment. I only waited. Who does they refer to here? They began in a light-hearted spirit. So they refers to who? George and Harris, George and Jerome and Harris. So I think the correct answer is George and Harris. Now question number 20. Who said with the who said with the exception of George, Harris is the worst packer in the world? Who said? Montmorency, Jerome or Jerome's mother? Of course, it is Jeremy. So, friends, I have answered 20 questions from this quiz. There are 20 more questions. I am giving the link in the chat box. Please open the link and answer the remaining questions. I am going to end this quiz here and giving the link in the chat box. If you want to answer, you can answer the remaining questions opening the link of the quiz in the chat box. So please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you once again.